to eat? What did you
Be
say?
careful, she's crawling up on you. Don't let her fall backwards.
Oh. She's not. She's still not going.
Sadie, you silly.
Come on, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. She called.
Dalen, watch her. She's trying to stand up. Don't let her fall back.
Okay.
Move her away from this table.
Okay.
Sit her down right there. Sit her down.
I can't sit her down. You won't.
Sit her down. Here, sit. Sit her down. Sit her down. There you go. Don't let her sit backwards because she doesn't know how to sit up yet. Sadie, you silly.
I can't hold her.
Well, just scoot her backwards.
Gotta get a money order.
Money order?
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. She can go forward because she know how to crawl, so it's okay.
The computer says I need a new battery.
Mine does too. Just keep it plugged in because it's gonna die soon. Like right when you take out the charger. Girl, don't waste your money on no battery when you don't have to.
Are they expensive?
They can be. Depends on what you call expensive. I'm cheap, so yeah.
Hey, Poopa.
She is like attacking his leg.
Come here. I'm gone. Say don't play no games.
That make no sense. Dalen, ready to go home and fly your kite? Buddha,
Huh?
ready to go home and fly your kite?
Yay!
Do you know how to fly that?
Girl, no. We gonna learn today. Hopefully one of the bad kids out there teach us.